If your HBO Max is not opening on your Android or iPhone, here are some steps that can help. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Go to Chrome or any other web browser and type Internet Speed Test. Then tap on one of the websites that appear and run a quick test to confirm your speed. Next, long press the HBO Max app icon, tap App Info option, and then go to Storage Usage. Clear the cache first. If the problem remains, clear the data as well, but keep in mind you will need to sign in again. Next tip is go to Play Store or App Store, search for HBO Max and check if there's any update available. Install if you see one. Restart your phone and try opening the app again. If it still doesn't open, uninstall HBO Max app completely, then reinstall it. Following these steps usually fixes the issue.